हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज़ कृति एंड आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट। आज मैं आपको एक बहुत ही सिंपल और अच्छा पार्टी मेकअप लुक सिखाने वाली हूँ। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड सब्सक्राइब मी फॉर वाचिंग मोर सच वीडियोस। सबसे पहले मैं एक वेट वाइप लेके अपने पूरे फेस को क्लीन कर लूँगी। आप कोई भी ब्रांड का वेट वाइप यूज़ कर सकते हो। मैंने लैक्टोकैलोमाइन का लिया है, स्पेशली अंडर द आइज़ जो आपके डार्कनेस होती है काजल की वजह से, वो आप इससे बहुत इजीली और बहुत अच्छे से रिमूव कर सकते हो। और अगर आपकी कोई लिपस्टिक पहले से लगी हुई है मेकअप करने से पहले, मेक श्योर यू आर रिमूविंग इट। नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टोनर। आप कोई भी टोनर अप्लाई कर सकते हो। आई एम गोना अप्लाई दिस रोज़ वाटर बाय डाबर गुलाबरी। Moisturizing, I use Cetaphil cream. It's a very gentle cream and works on every skin type. Now take a pea size amount in my hand and then dot apply it all over my face, and then gently massage the cream all over on my face. Once the skin prep is done, next you have to apply primer, and then we are going to start with our eye makeup. For priming, I am using this Silk Blur primer by Prosh. It's a very hydrating primer. You can skip the moisturizer also and use this all together. Now the priming is also done. I will use a concealer to create a base for my eyeshadows. For that I am using Forever 52 concealer and the shade is 004. I will be applying this all over my lid. Once you have applied the concealer on both your eyes, just use a fluffy brush and blend it in. Once you are done with blending, you have to set this concealer with a translucent powder. Make sure you are blending the edges. आपको ये edges को blend करना है बहुत अच्छे से, अदरवाइज़ यहाँ पे लाइंस पड़ जाएंगी, क्रीज पड़ जाएगी। वंस यू आर फाइनली डन विद योर मेकअप, यहाँ पे लाइंस पड़ जाएंगी. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ब्लेंडिंग दिस area as well very properly and nicely. Now you have to set it with a loose powder. For this I am using Makeup Studio translucent powder to set. तो अब हमने अपनी आईज़ पे एक बेस क्रिएट कर लिया है कंसीलर अप्लाई करके, और उसको सेट भी कर लिया है अच्छे से. वी हैव मेड इट मैट. सो नाउ अब आप अपना अगर टच करके देखोगे तो फिंगर पे कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं आएगा. यू कैन सी दिस हैज़ कम्प्लीटली सेट. अब ये वाले बेस के ऊपर आप कोई भी आई शेडो लगाओगे वो बहुत इजीली लग भी जाएगी और पॉप आउट भी होगी. टुडे आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस हुडा ब्यूटी नॉटी न्यूड्स आई शेडो पैलेट, and I will be using this shade rough for doing my crease. As you can see, it's a beautiful mauvey brown pink color. Next I am gonna use this shade Naughty and I will use it in my outer V. Once you have defined your crease and applied eyeshadow on the outer V, you can use shimmer eyeshadow for the front part of your lid. I'm gonna use Please Me right now for doing that. As you can see, my eye makeup is now complete with shimmer popping in center. You can leave it like that, or in fact you can also apply glitter on top of it to make it pop even brighter if you are going for a night function. Today I'm gonna just leave it like this only, and I will quickly come back after doing my other eye. Once your both eyes are done, you can use the same wipe to clean if there is any fall off or anything around your eyes. And then we will start with our base. To start with my base, for my under eyes, I will use a concealer again from Forever 52. This is shade 008, and I will use this to cover the darkness around my eyes. This concealer is very good for doing color correction. It is of a dark color and it has an orange tint to it, so it is indeed very good for doing color correction. You can use it wherever you have dark areas, so I'm going to use it around my mouth as well. Slightly use it here also. Now I have applied concealer to all the areas that were dark, and I'm gonna blend it in with a brush. You can use any fluffy brush to blend it. It is very easy to blend. Once you are done with blending your concealer, you have to apply foundation. So today I'm gonna use Forever 52 foundations, and I'm gonna mix these two shades. This is chestnut and cheesecake, and I will create the shade which is perfectly suitable for my skin tone, and then I will apply it. So I have taken one pump of each, and I will mix it. I will mix it with a flat brush and apply it all over my face. You have to cover your neck as well. Once you're done with applying the foundation, take any foundation blending brush and blend this into your skin. I'm going to use this brush from PC, and I will blend my foundation in. You have to make round circular motions to blend that in to your skin. For concealing, you can use the same concealer that you used under the eyes as your base, and you can highlight the areas that needs some highlighting, like the bridge of the nose, your cupid's bow, chin, Once it is blended, you can use a cream blush right at this stage, or you can apply a powder blush later. I'm gonna use a cream blush. It's from Prosh, very highly pigmented, so I will just use very little on the areas that I want to apply my blush on. Some people don't like putting blush on the nose, but I like it. You can apply blush wherever you wish like. There are no rules in makeup. So you have to apply a blush on the high points of your cheeks, just below the highlighter. So you will apply your highlighter here and your blush here. Once this is done, you have to set everything with translucent powder. By the time my base is setting, I'll do my eyebrows offline and I'll come back. I have set my base. Now I will be again applying blush on top of it. I will be using this blush from Eye Magic, and I will use a mix of these two shades, first and second shade, for my blush. Now I will be using a highlighter. So for that I will be using this PC baked highlighter in the shade 02, and I will be applying highlighter. You can next apply your kajal, or you can skip it altogether, but I prefer applying it. And then you can apply your mascara. I'm using Maybelline mascara. I love this mascara. See the difference with mascara, without mascara. Once that is done, you can either apply your liner or you can skip it. I'm gonna skip my liner today because I like it as it is. And then in the end, you have to apply your lipstick to complete the look. For lipstick, I will first outline my lips using a dark brown lip pencil. This lip pencil is from Color Bar. You can use any brand's lip pencil, even K Beauty and Nykaa lip pencils are great, you can use them. Once the outlining is done, I will use a base coat. For that, I will be using this Smashbox lipstick. Its shade is Fresca. You can leave it like this, but I like applying another layer, so I am using this Love Earth lipstick, and the shade is Citrus Cosmo, and I will apply it, and it's a matte formula, so it will make my lipstick matte, and it's a very comfortable matte formula. You can try it. So guys, this is the final look. In the end, I will set it with my makeup fixer. It's from Forever 52 again. And I'm gonna set it and leave it like this for 10-15 minutes and my makeup will set. Guys, this is the final look, and let me know if you found this tutorial helpful and interesting. And if you're gonna recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Pretty Faces by Kriti, and please follow me on Instagram as well. Bye bye.